Did you know your dream cruise could turn into a wallet-draining nightmare? Here are 5 shocking secrets cruise lines don't want you to know about hidden onboard fees. Hey there, cruise lovers. Welcome back to Your Channel Name, where we spill the tea on everything travel, especially cruises. I'm your host, bringing you the insider scoop without showing my face, because who needs that when you've got epic tips, right? Today, we're diving into a topic that could save you hundreds, maybe even thousands on your next cruise. We're counting down 5 shocking secrets cruise lines hide about onboard fees. Trust me, you'll want to stick around to avoid these budget-busting surprises. Let's get started. Number 5. The sneaky automatic gratuities. First up, let's talk about automatic gratuities. You might think your cruise fare includes tips for the amazing crew who make your trip unforgettable, but surprise! Many cruise lines automatically add a daily gratuity fee, sometimes $15 to $20 per person per day, to your onboard account. That's $140 to $280 for a week-long cruise for just one person. The shocker? Some lines make it tricky to adjust or remove these fees, burying the option in fine print or requiring an awkward visit to guest services. Why do they hide this? Because they're banking on you not noticing until the bill hits. Pro tip: check your cruise line's gratuity policy before you board and budget for it up front. Number 4. Specialty dining that's not so optional. Next, let's dish on dining fees. Cruises are famous for their all-you-can-eat buffets and included main dining rooms. But here's the secret: specialty restaurants are a hidden cash grab. These upscale venues like steakhouses or sushi bars can cost $30 to $75 per person per meal. The catch? Cruise lines push these hard, making you feel like the free dining options are basic or overcrowded. Some even limit main dining room hours to nudge you toward paying extra. Want to avoid this trap? Research which dining options are included and stick to them unless you're ready to splurge. Number 3. Internet packages that cost a fortune. Number 3 is a big one in our connected world: Wi-Fi fees. You'd think staying connected at sea would be affordable, but cruise lines charge premium prices for internet access, sometimes $20 to $40 per day for spotty service. The real kicker? They often hide the true cost by advertising unlimited packages that throttle your speed after a tiny data cap. For example, one major cruise line charges $25 daily for a social media plan that barely lets you post. Want to stream or video call? That's another $10 to $15 on top. Save yourself the shock by checking Wi-Fi package details in advance or embracing an off-the-grid vacation. Number 2. Beverage package gotchas. Coming in at number 2 are beverage packages that sound like a deal but aren't. Cruise lines tempt you with all-inclusive drink packages. Think $60 to $100 per person per day for unlimited sodas, coffee, or alcohol. Sounds great, right? Here's the secret: these packages often don't cover premium drinks, bottled water, or even specialty coffees, and some require everyone in your cabin to buy the same package even if they don't drink. Plus, they don't tell you about the sneaky 18% service charge added on top. To dodge this, calculate your actual drink consumption before committing to a package. It might be cheaper to pay as you go. And the number 1 shocking secret: port fees and excursion markups. You'd assume your ticket price covers docking at those dreamy destinations, but many cruise lines tack on port fees, sometimes $100 to $300 per person, that show up as taxes and fees on your final bill. Even worse, their shore excursions are marked up by as much as 50% compared to booking directly with local operators. Why the secrecy? Cruise lines profit big by keeping you in their ecosystem. The fix? Book excursions independently through trusted local vendors and always read the fine print on your booking confirmation to spot those extra port charges. Part 3, the outro. Wow, who knew cruise lines were playing hide-and-seek with our wallets? From sneaky gratuities to overpriced excursions, these 5 hidden fees can turn your dream vacation into a financial wake-up call. But now you're armed with the knowledge to cruise smarter and keep more money in your pocket. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Your Channel Name for more travel tips to make your next adventure epic and affordable. Drop a comment below. Have you ever been hit with a surprise cruise fee? Spill the details. And check out our other cruise videos linked on screen for more insider secrets. Until next time, keep exploring, and I'll catch you in the next one.